A kind, wise king sitting on a grand golden throne in a medieval palace hall, surrounded by lush indoor plants, warm sunlight streaming through tall windows. A colorful, intelligent parrot perched on his shoulder, expressing loyalty and intelligence.
A wise parrot flying over a dense, magical forest with sunlight filtering through leaves, landing in a small, cozy nest with elderly parrot parents.
Close-up of a glowing, magical fruit in the hands of two elderly parrot parents. A small poisonous snake biting a glowing magical fruit under a large forest tree. Subtle danger in the air. Detailed scales and textures.
The parrot delivering a glowing magical fruit to the king in a majestic palace hall. King smiling cautiously, minister watching worriedly. A mystical tree growing from a discarded magical fruit. Glowing fruits hanging from branches. An elderly couple eating glowing magical fruits under a mystical tree. Expressions of amazement as they transform into youthful humans. A frail old courtier eating a glowing magical fruit inside a grand palace, his body becoming strong and youthful. Astonished courtiers around him